group photo of my sister, our friend Ashley, and me. Tim did not want to be in the photo, unfortunately. He doesn't like pictures like that. And here's a picture of the board with the different prices for admission. I just took a picture so y'all can take a look at the prices and things. Alright, this is the first area we chose to go to, and before each area I'll show you whatever the name is of that place.
Well, that's what I'm used to, is recording with my hand anyways. I like how they have the dramatic music. Oh wow. I like those. Look at that. Oh, that's such a good picture.
It kind of looks like a smile a little bit. You see that?
Yeah, it does.
Ooh, that sounds like a good idea.
So how do jellies eat? Their tentacles sting, prey, and ripple inward, delivering the food to the jelly's oral arms for digestion. We typically feed our
I would have had like a boomerang with them doing that. Probably gonna look really cool.
They were moving a minute ago, like turning right side up when we walked up. Then we walked up and they all went back to bed.
And then last but not least in this section, there was this giant eel, which is the second picture towards the bottom right there. And he was huge. You see the ship? He wrapped all the way around it. It was so cool. Now on to the next area.
Stingray! I don't see the shark.
Yeah, he just swam off the corner.
Yeah, I didn't realize it was going to move this fast. Oh, look at that shark. He's hiding behind the rock. Tim, look up to your left. Look at him. It's the whale shark. He's so big. We saw him a few minutes ago, but I didn't get the camera out fast enough. That's awesome. Oh, that stingray though. Yeah, he's sitting right on the glass. Oh, and the whale shark again. That's a great shot. That's so cool. And look at all the fish hanging out around the whale shark. You think they'd run away from him. Oh, there's another one. 2 at one time. 3. Oh.
Alright, just a heads up, the next part you're about to see is a Q&A between divers and another staff member here at the aquarium. The audio may be a little bit distorted, but they are underwater. But just turn your volume up if you need to, and I hope you can hear it all.
Look at all the divers in the water.
There's a shark on top of it.
I know, right? Jeez. Those are zebra sharks.
Usual fish swimmers in here. And that's because they are divers. We are about to do our dive program, which we will be talking with our divers in this habitat. I do need a little bit of a favor to ask. If you are up against the acrylic, if you wouldn't mind having a seat either on the floor or behind on the seats, you can remain seated there. But if you'd like, you can scoot back. We just ask that everyone have a seat so we can get the best view inside. First off, I want to go welcome everyone to Georgia Aquarium. More specifically, Ocean Voyager, brought to you by
there really is no place like the Georgia Aquarium.
Absolutely. Thank you. As you can see above you, Bernie, right now, we have a wonderful whale shark coming overhead. Can you tell us a little more about those?
I don't think they know what type of sharks.
So this is one of our female whale sharks. We have 2 males, 2 females. And the whale shark is the largest fish in the ocean. Ours are pre-adults. They're not fully grown yet. And they're somewhere in the 20 to 23-foot range, we believe, from the latest measurements. They could get to be as big as 30 feet long. No one really knows for sure.
So our whale sharks in here, we do have 2 males and 2 females. The one that passed over was one of our wonderful females. My next question is going to go down to you here, Greg. Now, Greg, you told
That
us
one
a little
stingray.
bit about Ocean Voyager, but what makes this habitat so special?
And what makes it so special is we've got animals from all over the world inside one habitat. One of our mammals is Lepidus from South Africa. Our whale sharks are from Taiwan. This turtle lady, this green sea turtle, is from the Atlantic Ocean. The sea only animal from the open ocean. She's got to go to a lot of different destinations. Here, all I've got to do is get my car, drive to the Georgia Aquarium, and then
Yes, absolutely. So many species represented in this habitat. My next question is going to go over to you here. And I do see a manta doing barrel rolls behind you. Can you tell us more about that manta ray behavior?
Well, the manta ray, the whale sharks being the biggest fish in the ocean, the manta ray is the largest species of ray. And when we take to think of all rays as being stingrays, manta rays actually are not. They don't have a slide to sting with. And they do those barrel rolls as a feeding behavior. It allows them to go to the same spot over and over with the least amount of energy. And for some reason, they tend to associate us scuba divers with food. I don't think because they want to eat us, obviously, because they're filter feeders. They eat little tiny things.
They want to eat them.
But
That's what I
sometimes,
heard.
when we cross here, we mess with algae that they like to eat. So we tend to be associated with a great place to go get something to snack on.
Absolutely. Thank you for that on our manta rays, Bernie. Now, the manta rays are my favorite animal, but
I'm coming.
hi, look at you. You're so cute.
Look at it. Look at. Is it? What is it up there?
So cool.
There's a face right there. There's 2 of them.
There's 2 faces? I thought that was his tail.
See, oops, sorry. Look.
Yeah. I thought that was his tail.
I did too at first.
Look how cute. Oh.
Guys, so we have 2
Close up.
presentations, our dolphin and our sea lion presentation, which is already included in what you pay with your general admission ticket. We also have a 4D theater that shows 2 movies every half hour, and that is also
Yeah. I see the seal now.
There was also an exhibit here with sea otters, but as you can see, there was so many people going on during the show that I didn't really have a good way to get up to the otters, so this is just a little glimpse into what it was like. Alright, for this last section, River Scout, I wasn't really able to get much video. It's mostly, well, it is all just pictures, so I'm just giving you a little intro spiel, and I'm about to lay some music over this, so I hope y'all enjoyed this. See you momentarily. Alright, so for this last section of the aquarium, the Dolphins Coast, they had 2 different 4D theaters going on, and we picked one to go to see that day, which they changed regularly on the videos. Unfortunately, I was not able to record during this show, but let me just tell you, it was like my favorite part of the aquarium. It was so amazing. There was bubbles and wind and things touching you, but you guys would just have to go and see for yourself. Next, you're going to see some footage and some videos from the Cheesecake Factory. And now here we are at the Cheesecake Factory. I know I said I took video, but I kind of lied by accident. I only took pictures, but I was just so hungry I couldn't control myself. So they gave us bread. Surprisingly, they only gave us brown bread, but I tore it up anyways, even though I like the white better. It just tastes a little sweeter to me, and I like it better. And for an appetizer, I just got these fried mac and cheese balls, and there was 4, so we each got one, and they were so good, so crunchy on the outside and soft on the inside. I also took a picture of my cross section on mine, and you could just see how gooey it is on the outside, and I also put some more of that marinara on top. So good. For my entree, I got the same thing I got here before. If you've seen one of my previous videos, I got the truffle honey chicken with mashed potatoes, and I also got mac and cheese as the other side. You may also see that mozzarella stick hiding back there, but my friend Ashley shared. And Tim got the same thing he got last time if you've seen my videos before. The fried mac and cheese burger with sweet potato fries, which was so good too. If you like burgers, I'm not a fan of burgers, but everyone's different. Then for dessert, me and him both got we got one piece of the Cinnabon cheesecake, which I think is limited time to split. And if you like Cinnabon, this is perfect. It was so amazing. Next, my sister got the s'mores cheesecake, which was too much chocolate for me, but if you love chocolate, this would be perfect for you. And they actually toast the marshmallow. That's so good. We also brought home one of those for my mom, too. And last but not least, Ashley got the chocolate chip cookie dough cheesecake, which was really good, but I didn't like the contrast of chewing on the chips. But I imagine some people would like that. Alright, thank you guys for watching. That's it for today. I'll see you all next time. Bye-bye, YouTube.